Welcome to Capitol Hill, the historic and political heart of the United States. In this video, we will take you on a visual journey through the iconic landmarks, the bustling atmosphere, and the rich history that makes Capitol Hill a symbol of American democracy. The U.S. Capitol building, with its magnificent dome and impressive architecture, stands as a symbol of the nation's democratic principles. Adjacent to the U.S. Capitol is the National Mall, a sprawling green space that hosts iconic monuments, memorials, and museums. Join us as we walk along this historic stretch, where millions gather to celebrate, protest, and reflect. Experience the awe-inspiring monuments and memorials that honor the nation's heroes and pivotal moments in its history. Here are some beautiful scenes from around the Capitol Hill. From the Washington Monument to the Lincoln Memorial and the Vietnam Veterans Memorial, these structures evoke a sense of pride and remembrance for Americans. Just steps away from the Capitol lies the Library of Congress, the world's largest library and a treasure trove of knowledge. Enter its hallowed halls and discover its vast collection of books, manuscripts, and historical artifacts. The Supreme Court building, located at 1 First Street, NE, in Washington, D.C., is the permanent home of the court. Completed in 1935, the building is open to the public Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., and is closed on weekends and federal holidays. Explore the majestic Supreme Court building, where landmark decisions that shape the nation's laws are made. Learn about the role of the highest court in the land and its impact on American society. Capitol Hill is not just a center of power, it is a bustling hub of activity. Watch as the streets come alive with lawmakers, lobbyists, tourists, and locals, all contributing to the vibrant energy that permeates this historic neighborhood. The White House is the official residence and workplace of the President of the United States is another popular place to see in the area. Thank you for joining us on this visual journey through Capitol Hill. Stay tuned for more video.